we're gonna check out a brand new order in Production Tracker and show you exactly how it works. So first off, we've logged in and you can see we can be tracking many different things, but we wanna just use production for screen printing. So we're gonna hit Production Tracker, and then we're gonna go to Screen Printing Tracker. And it knows what day it is, but today we're working on press 1. And we're gonna find the job that we're tracking, which is this first one right here. It's gonna be 200 units. And the first thing we wanna do is hit Setup Start. And we're doing the front here. And it's gonna be 5 screens, and we hit Go, and we hit Submit. And now what's going on is it's tracking setting up the job. So we're putting the screens in the ink, and we're getting everything registered, and we're getting everything going, okay? And there's a couple things that we can be doing. So let's say there's an emergency meeting, something's going on. We could pause the setup just by hitting pause. And that allows us to pause what's going on. And maybe we have that emergency meeting and it's over. Then we could just hit Setup Resume. And now that time that we spent at that meeting doesn't count against the press, right? We could also hit Problem Start, which maybe there's an issue with one of the screens. Let's just say the screen was clogged and we need to blow it out, okay? So now we're tracking how long it took to resolve that problem, also what the problem was. So we can hit Problem Finish when we're done with that. And then let's say we're finished setting up the screen. It's real easy for us to hit Setup Finish, and now we're done. We're ready to rock and roll. We're ready to start working on the job. So all we really need to do is hit Production Start and hit Submit when we start printing the job. This allows us to track how long it takes us to print these 200 pieces. And just like during the setup, if we have to pause or address a problem, we can hit one of these buttons and log that as well. But just to show you how this works, we're just gonna hit Production Finish because we printed all the shirts. How many did we print? We printed 200. The reason why this is important is because let's say you're running a really big job. It's like 1,500 pieces or something, and you did 200 at the end of the day, and you're gonna do 1,300 tomorrow. Here's how you're logging both of those 2 production events. So you just put in how many you're doing. So we did the whole job, so we did 200. We didn't have any misprints. We didn't have any defects because we're awesome. And then we just hit Submit. And now that entire job is recorded. We have all the data that we did. We can look at that, and that feeds into our dashboard numbers for the day. And then now on press 2, we can start finding the next job that we want to run. And it's just as simple as doing that over and over, rinse and repeat throughout the day. So anyways, hope you enjoyed that. Have any questions, get in touch. Thank you.